Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize icons and emojis in Notion. Personalizing your workspace with unique icons makes it easier to identify pages at a glance and adds a visual touch that reflects your style or project theme. First, open your Notion app and navigate to the workspace that contains the page you want to customize. Once you're in the right workspace, locate and select the specific page whose icon you want to change. You can find this page either in your sidebar or from your workspace list, depending on how you've organized your Notion setup. Now look at the top of your page, just above the page title. You'll notice an icon spot that might currently display a default icon or emoji. Click directly on this icon area. This action opens up the customization menu where you can choose from Notion's built-in emojis and icons, or add your own custom options. Here's where it gets interesting. If you want to go beyond Notion's standard offerings, you can use external customization sites like Notion VIP or Super Icons to find more stylish and unique icon options. Browse through these sites until you find an icon that fits your page perfectly. Once you've found the one you want, copy the link to that icon. Back in Notion's icon menu, look for the Upload or Link tab, paste the link you just copied into this field. This method lets you integrate custom icons from online sources directly into your Notion pages. After you've selected or uploaded your new icon, save your changes by clicking outside the icon menu or simply pressing Enter. This confirms your selection and applies the new icon to your page. To see your customized icon reflected throughout your workspace, refresh your sidebar. You should now see your newly chosen icon displayed next to the page name in the sidebar, making it instantly recognizable. This simple customization process allows you to visually organize your Notion workspace in a way that makes sense for you. Whether you prefer playful emojis, professional icons, or something completely custom from external sources, these visual markers help you navigate your workspace more efficiently and give your pages a more personalized feel. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.